She's just making faces. Everybody, we're in Seattle now. We're in our loft Airbnb area, and it's not too early, but it's not too late either. We are on our way to Shiganamaya Falls. She doesn't know how to pronounce it. We're gonna go stop by and get some coffee and quick breakfast and head out. So hopefully you can follow us along and see what kind of shots we can get at the top and the bottom of the falls.
The best donuts, the best sandwiches in Seattle, just in Tempesta coffee shop. This is the best special recipe from our chef Kevin Davis, and everything we are making just fresh.
I'm gonna try the lemon pistachio. The different texture, it's like crispy on the outside, gooey on the inside. Very good.
And we have 15, 16 different kind of donuts, and this is not cake donuts.
So this is the Pike Place Market. Welcome. It's the longest running public farmers market in the U.S. It's amazing. It's living, breathing history. All of the things that we're going to see today are, lots of generations have gone into this.
Well, even worse, you put up your fight, though you're often in your right to go and lock the gate, or get up and walk away. It's no surprise, my ego knows no compromise of the things I say.